Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the Cybersecurity Show. In this video, I'm going to cover the precise technique you should use if you want to pass any IT certification as easily as possible. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. What are some common mistakes to avoid when studying for IT certification? So before we get into a little bit of what to do, let's talk about what not to do, right? So some of the common mistakes to avoid when studying for IT certifications is, number one, underestimating the exam requirements, right? It's crucial to thoroughly understand the exam format, content, and objectives before starting your preparation. Now, here's another thing too, procrastinating or cramming, right? This can lead to stress, anxiety, and poor performance. Create a structured study plan and stick to it, allocating sufficient time for each topic. Relying solely on one study material, right? Use multiple resources like textbooks, online courses, videos, and practice tests to get comprehensive coverage of the exam topics. Also, ignoring practical experience. IT certification exams test both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Gain hands-on experience through internships, side projects, or setting up a home lab. Please take a moment right now to hit the subscribe button and like button. Hit that subscribe button and the like button right now, please. Thank you very much. Number 5, neglecting exam taking skills, right? Practice time management and familiarize yourself with the exam format. Not having a specific goal in mind before pursuing a certification, think about why you are doing it and how it aligns with your career objectives. Paying too much for training resources, look for free or low-cost study materials at first before investing in expensive training programs. Now, here's another thing too, taking on too much at once. Be realistic about how much time you can devote to studying and avoid overloading yourself. Not finding quality and up-to-date resources. So ensure you have access to current study materials that align with the exam objectives. Things change each year, right? Technology advances each year, things change, so make sure that you're staying current. Next one, pursuing certifications without a clear career focus. So choose certifications that are relevant to your specific role or career path. Now, failing to apply knowledge practically, right? Don't just memorize facts. Focus on understanding core concepts and how to apply them in real-world scenarios. So by avoiding these common mistakes that I talked about and following a structured, goal-oriented approach to certification preparation, you can increase your chances of success in passing IT certification exams. Now, here is the meat and potatoes. How to pass any IT certification as easily as possible. You're going to want to take notes of these key strategies, right? Number 1, choose the right certification for your goals and experience level. Research different options and select one that aligns with your career path and current knowledge. Use high quality study materials from reputable sources, right? Look for well-rated courses on platforms like Udemy, official certification guides, and video tutorials from respected instructors. Next, you want to create a structured study plan, right? Set aside dedicated time for studying and break the material into manageable chunks. Aim to study consistently over a period of weeks or months rather than cramming, right? You're also going to want to utilize active learning techniques. So take detailed notes while watching videos or reading. Use flashcards or spaced repetition software like Anki, right? ANKI. Explain concepts out loud to reinforce understanding. Apply knowledge through hands-on labs and practice exercises. Take practice exams to assess your readiness. Now, use these to identify weak areas that need more focus, right? Because you're gonna have some strength and some weaknesses. So you're gonna want to gain hands-on experience with the technologies covered in the exam. Set up a home lab or use cloud-based environments to practice skills. You can also join study groups or online communities to discuss topics and share resources. Focus on understanding core concepts rather than just memorizing facts, right? This will help you and apply knowledge to scenario-based questions. Now, you're going to want to review and summarize key points before the exam. Create concise study sheets for last-minute revision. On exam day, manage your time carefully and read questions thoroughly. If unsure about an answer, mark it for review and come back later. Stay calm and confident during the exam. Remember your preparation and trust in your knowledge. After passing, keep your certification current, because you can't just pass it, right? You're gonna have to do some things to maintain it, right? So after passing, keep your certification current by staying informed by renewal requirements. So by following the strategies that I just talked about and adapting them to your learning style, you can increase your chances of success in passing any IT certification exam 100 times fold, right? Remember that consistent effort and practical application of knowledge are key to mastering the material and achieving certification. So it's a very stressful time when you're trying to study for a certification. So what are the best ways to manage stress while studying for IT certification? So you're going to want to use these effective ways, right, to manage your stress. Number one, create a structured study plan. Break down the material into manageable chunks and allocate specific time slots for studying. This helps reduce feeling overwhelmed, okay? Feeling overwhelmed, because the higher the certification, the more material, right? Number two, use active learning techniques. Take detailed notes, explain concepts out loud, apply knowledge through hands-on labs and practice exercises, right? These methods improve retention and understanding, reducing stress from uncertainty. You're gonna also wanna practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques, incorporate meditation, deep breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation into your routine to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Also, this is very important. You're going to want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, right? Get regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, ensure adequate sleep. These habits support cognitive function and stress resilience, right? Take regular breaks. Don't overwhelm yourself, guys, okay? Take regular breaks and practice time management. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to maintain focus and avoid burnout. Utilize practice exams to assess your readiness. This builds confidence and helps identify areas needing more focus, reducing exam anxiety. You're going to face a lot of, you're going to want to reduce as much exam anxiety you have as possible, right? Join study groups or online communities. Discussing topics with peers can provide support and alleviate feelings of isolation. Focus on understanding core concepts rather than just memorizing facts. This approach builds confidence in applying knowledge to various scenarios. Maintain a positive mindset. Remind yourself of your goals and past successes to stay motivated and reduce negative self-talks. Also, seek support when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to mentors, instructors, or counseling services if you're feeling overwhelmed. Remember, effective stress management is crucial for optimal learning experience, and exam performance. By implementing these strategies, you create a more balanced and productive study experience while preparing for your IT certification. Do not neglect and do not discredit the importance of hands-on experience, okay, because it's highly important. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you in the next video.